Lasioderma Serricorne, or the cigarette beetle, is also known as the tobacco beetle and is from the Anobiidae beetle family. The cigarette beetle is an external feeder which damages grains externally and derives its name from infesting processed and unprocessed tobacco. The cigarette beetle infests a wide variety of products, including tobacco, breakfast cereals, herbs, spices, cocoa, dates, rice, pet food, drugs, raisins, seeds, biscuits, noodles, potpourri, and dried flowers. The female cigarette beetle lays 30 to 40 eggs inside food, where they hatch in 6 to 10 days into larvae. The larvae avoid light and crawl throughout the food, feeding on it. The larvae pupate in 5 to 10 weeks, and the adult emerges from the pupal case 5 to 15 days later. Cigarette beetles complete their life cycle in 90 days and can have 6 overlapping generations in 1 year in warm climates. Their short life cycles ensure fast buildup of cigarette beetle populations when they spread to uninfested product by the introduction of infested product. Adult cigarette beetles are strong flyers and active in low light and can move quickly throughout a building. To inspect for cigarette beetles, look for where they breed, focusing on food-based material, not necessarily food product. Look for boxed and bagged food items, both inside and outside. Tiny holes indicate larvae have chewed into or out of the packages. Food spillage in cracks, under shelves, or in spaces in storage racks could also harbor cigarette beetles. Look for old rodent bait in bait stations or below shelves, as rodent infestation can support a cigarette beetle population. Rats and mice carry food like pet food and nuts into walls, under floors, into attics, and other secluded areas. If the rodent leaves or is dead, the food caches become a breeding ground for cigarette beetles. So, correlate cigarette beetle activity with rodent activity. Look for infested products to detect cigarette beetles when you find them in the catch trays or glue boards of insect light traps, or in Storgard quick change dome and new Serrico pheromone traps. GPA supplies the Storgard CB plus K quick change dome and thin line 3 traps and the new Serrico trap to monitor cigarette beetles.